Flying a plane is a complex task that requires knowledge, patience, and precision. The following steps are a general summary of how to fly a plane. Understand the basics. Before flying an airplane, you need to have some knowledge of basic aerodynamics, flying terms, and basic flight instrumentation. Familiarizing yourself with these things will help you understand how the airplane operates and how to control it. Pre-flight check. Before you take off, you need to perform a pre-flight check. This includes inspecting the aircraft, fuel, oil, and electronics. Additionally, you should check for any signs of wear or damage to the airplane. Starting the engine. Starting the airplane's engine is a crucial step in flying a plane. You need to turn on all the necessary electronic devices and then start the engine. Once the engine is running, you should check the oil pressure and temperature gauges to ensure that everything is working correctly. Takeoff. Once you have completed all the necessary checks, you can begin the takeoff process. To take off, you need to throttle up the engines to gain speed and then pull back on the joystick. This will lift the airplane off the ground and into the air. Climb. Once you're in the air, you need to climb to your desired altitude. You can do this by adjusting the throttle to gain speed and then pulling back on the joystick. The airplane will ascend as you gain altitude. Cruise. Once you reach your desired altitude, you can put the airplane into cruise mode. This means keeping a steady speed and altitude. You can adjust the throttle and joystick as needed to ensure that you're flying straight and level. Turn. If you need to turn the airplane, you need to bank the airplane to one side or the other. You do this by tilting the joystick to one side and keeping a steady throttle. This will cause the airplane to change direction. Land. Once you're ready to land, you need to lower the airplane's altitude and decrease your speed. You do this by decreasing the throttle and tilting the joystick forward. You then need to lower the airplane's landing gear and aim it towards the runway. As you approach the runway, you'll need to level off the airplane and slowly decrease your speed until you touch down. Shut down. Once you've landed the airplane, you need to shut down the engine and perform another inspection of the aircraft. This will ensure that everything is in good condition for your next flight. In addition to these steps, there are other factors to consider when flying a plane. For example, you need to be aware of the weather conditions, air traffic control rules, and possible emergencies that may occur during your flight. With proper training and practice, however, anyone can learn how to fly a plane and enjoy the thrill and excitement of soaring through the skies.